Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We'll demonstrate right here, guys, on a 2016 Ford F-150. The first fuse box that we will need to work on, we'll work in two fuse boxes today, is right under the hood, guys. When you open your hood on your F-150, that's your car battery. And if we zoom in right here, behind the car battery, you have one fuse cover. That fuse cover, you will need to open it, and the moment you open it, you see your fuse box, okay, just like that. That's the layout. Here we will zoom it a little bit so we can show you clearly. That's the front of the truck, that's the back. But let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So we need to, guys, check multiple fuses here, okay, for the trailer control module. Now, these fuses and relays could be specific for Ford, and they can be really hard to find in small towns, or parts store can be really expensive. So we recommend to keep some spares, guys. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a fraction of the price. So we're going to start in that fuse panel right here, and we will have three fuses in that left row, starting from 1, 2, that second fuse, which is known as fuse number 34. Next one, 35 and 36. These three fuses will need to be checked for the trailer, guys. Okay, these three fuses. Then we have one more that we need to check, okay, and if you come, okay, this one is a little bit different now. Right here, okay, will be fuse number 87, okay. The next one will be known as fuse number 87. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That fourth fuse that you have right here, you will need to check that fuse right here, that 10M fuse. And we have one more that's inside your F-150, and the fuse box is located on the passenger footwell. In the passenger footwell, by that kick panel, you remove the cover there, you open the fuse box, and it will look just like that. We can zoom in a little bit so we can clearly show you what we have here specifically, guys. The fuse that you will need to check for the trailer will be fuse number 4. We're talking about that 5M fuse right here.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.